I want to talk a little bit about this team we have, because a team is the only thing that can get you from 0 to 100 and then 100 to 200. So I'm pretty excited about being here, and I want to talk about a few things. This is a major accomplishment. It's just not like a milestone. It's a major accomplishment, and you know, in the background you can hear what's happening because it really is indicative of what we've been through. And I wanted to say it's proof of the technology, it's proof of the trust, and it's a proof of our team that we can pull this stuff off. We have come through so many things, and every time we're up against something that made us stronger, it sharpened us up, and it really made us realize what we were doing this for, and the strength of our team and the technology that we're bringing forth. Our guest of honor, Drew Foran, he has given trust to us in two different ways. He was number 50, and now he's number 200. And he's one of the few, not few, we have many repeat customers, and that is a testament to our team, the trust that they have in us, the trust they have in the technology, and it's pretty exciting to have you here, Drew. So thank you for coming, and we're excited about you heading out to on new endeavor with this beautiful plane. So our winglet technology is not just a product, it really is a promise. It's a promise of performance, innovation, and technology, that we're not just staying with the smaller aircraft, we're growing into larger airframes, and it's pretty exciting that we have this in our future. Speaking of our future, picture like right now, that's the 200th aircraft. There's about 2,000 airplanes, so 10% of the fleet right now is outfitted with these winglets. And think about when that's going to be 30%, 40%. We're starting to accelerate now. We've gotten a lot of the headwinds behind us now. Now we have tailwinds, and we're excited about the future and how this is going to continue to grow. So nothing like this can ever be done without our team that is so strong. And grit, you know, grit is, I wish I could read this because my glasses here. Grit is the combination of passion and perseverance toward long-term goals. Does that sound familiar to anybody? It's about staying committed and pushing through challenges. Does that sound familiar to anyone? Even when progress is slow, or it seems unsurmountable that we'll be able to get through this stuff. But it embodies resilience, determination, and relentless drive to succeed despite adversity. So overall, thank you from the bottom of my heart, all my team members and our customers that love us, and yeah, everybody, the community. It's just been great. So I'm happy to be here, and let's look forward to tomorrow and the next day and the next years. Is going to be an exciting time. So thank you for coming, everybody.